Woohoo! This morning we're going to the Ducati factory, and then we're going to Ferrari. We're going to Ferrari after that. We just went to a local cafe just down the road from Gabrielle's house, and I enjoyed a macchiato, and you had an espresso. Just espresso. Just delicious. I had a croissant. It was delicious. And now we're on the road. So nice curvy Italian roads. And see you at Ducati. Gabrielle got tickets for us, and we're trying to make it on time. So we're
pushing a little bit.
We're speeding on the highway, trying to
Forget the speed limit.
forget the speed limit. We gotta make it there. We gotta make it there. This is the factory. We're just
We'll park illegally somewhere.
We might have to walk down a little bit. Just
there is a gym. They should have a parking slot.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Look. Oh, perfect. We're gonna go park at the gym near the factory. It's easier, much easier.
Much easier.
Time to show the Ducati tickets. I have it online.
Ciao, buongiorno. Siamo per il tour. Con te forse? No, peccato. Bene. We have our own badge, Ducati badge.
Yeah?
Non ne hai bisogno.
Very exciting. Very exciting stuff.
Thank you. No. Ducati mask.
Oh.
Not really.
No, really? No, it's not.
So, andate nel visitor center, la prima porta che vedete sulla tour sta per partire.
Ah, okay. What's that?
Quello serve per ascoltare la guida.
Oh, for the factory.
Ah.
For the factory. Earplugs. Thank you.
Grazie. Earplugs
For the factory. Yeah. Oh, we need our mask right now, I think.
Oh, we are outside. COVID is gone. Jody. Okay.
Sì, però non venite con me, questo tour in inglese.
No, noi siamo per gli inglesi.
E allora l'altro gruppo, questo è già pieno. Entrate, c'è la mia collega.
Ok.
We can just go in?
Now we need to wear.
I gotta put on my mask, because that's what you need to do for the factory.
Yeah, you can talk in English or Italian, as you like. Oh, il mio cellulare è rotto, perché è all'interno della fabbrica. She was telling me that they were not able to do pictures inside the factory while working.
Yeah. Okay. So I just finished a tour at the Ducati factory in Italy, Bologna, Italy. Really interesting stuff. I'm just at the gift shop right now, just at the front entry. Hey!
And let's get out this mask.
Yeah, I know. I don't like wearing the mask, but you don't have to wear it outside. You have to wear it in the gift shop. But it's really interesting to see that the bikes are made here. You know, the factory. I'm really impressed because for how small the factory floor is, the passion that's there, it's really nice, and the output that they have to ship around the world is absolutely amazing. It's really good experience. And
they have a physics department.
they have a what?
Study physics.
Oh, physics. Oh, okay.
Applied to motorbikes.
Yeah.
For the universities.
Nice.
It's crazy.
Yeah, there's a lot of physics in
There's a lot of
motorcycles.
it.
Yeah.
Right.
But yeah, so they're really pushing the Ducati Scrambler. That's like one thing that you'll see everywhere. It's like Scrambler T-shirts and all kinds of stuff. The other thing right now that they're pushing is
Look at that.
what's that?
Look at that sign.
Oh.
Riservato, reserved just to Ducati motorbike of the employers. If you have another bike, get out of here.
Yeah, if you have another, well, obviously, because if you're at the Ducati factory and you're an employee, it's like there's your Ducati parking. It makes
Even
sense,
here
right?
with KTM,
It
I
makes
mean.
sense. Yeah, it makes sense. But yeah, so it's really good experience.
No BMW fan here.
No. Yeah. Yeah, BMW I think has their glass factory and
Yeah.
oh, why am I wearing this? There we go. Oh man, feels so much better without the mask. But yeah, it was just interesting. It's nice to see that they have a lot of there's a lot of hands-on. Like the workers are assembling it. There's some things where the computer can do it, but they have workers there instead of just getting machinery all the time. But really nice. Oh yeah, the other thing that they're really pushing is the new Desert X. Looks great. I haven't ridden one yet. Maybe I'll ride one. I don't know. But for now, taking a break from maybe I'll go to a cafe, take a break from visiting the Ducati factory, and today we're going to Ferrari.
Yeah.
We're going to Ferrari today, so that's going to be fun.
Sono le macchinette.
C'è il bar?
Il bar?
Sì, allora vai avanti, a sinistra e poi a destra. Se no le macchinette sono
No,
nello shop.
Non immaginavo.
Ok, sinistra.
Oh, perfect.
I was wondering if it's the same rule for Ferrari, and you can park all the only Ferrari of the employees.
Whoa, that's a different price.
Different price completely. Yeah, with Ducati you can make a choice. Are you a motorbiker or are you just a driver? But
Yeah.
with Ferrari, it's another pair of shoes.
Espresso is really good. It's nice to see how the employee lounges, because the factory floor is obviously, being a factory, it's very busy. This lounge is very nice. It's relaxing. I think everybody takes their lunch and their break maybe at different times. But it looks like there was more tables. It looks like there was more tables for, maybe they're redoing it because this is all new. So
I don't know if you're better unpacking this.
I think they're redoing it because you want to sit with your friends, like have your lunch and stuff like that. So nice little Ducati stuff there.
Good to see the museum.
Yeah, let's go. They're nice.
I even don't know how it sounds. This.
They need to put some mud on it, but this one has the street. This is the street version.
This is what I like. This is the
Yeah,
panicale. This must be so aggressive.
Nice. It's nice. That's a good picture.
That's cool. That's cool. I drove like custom bikes.
Yeah.
How do you call that? The cross bikes? Cruisers.
Yeah.
The cruiser bikes or sporty bikes?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing! This is the first one.
Yeah.
Cucciolo. Cucciolo means little pet.
What?
The little pet.
Little pat. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's 50 cc. Yeah, it's 50 cc.
Man, that's a for those days that's a big engine. Oh, where is the? Wait. Do we have to pay for the earpiece? Do we have to? That's a earpiece. Oh, let's. Yeah, I think so. Oh, baby, Eli. Is there the earpiece for the circles? Ah, yes. There's an app with earpieces to go through the museum, and then it gives you the description of everything. When you stand on the circle, so the security guard is explaining it to us. You have to go to the.
You need to go to this website.
Yeah.
There's Wi-Fi here. If you want to use
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
You want to use it, you have to log in.
That's it.
And prego. You have to log in and do it.
Okay, I'm gonna log into the app.
You can make first motorbikes.
Bicycles.
Yeah, bicycles with motor. But look, this model is a world record.
Oh, speed bike.
Maybe they made it, I don't know, in the US, in the desert. I don't know. This is made in aluminium.
We're in hall 2.
Aluminium.
Yeah.
This is 50, 60. No, on Monza, in Monza. On the Monza Oval. Sicuro.
So look, this is where it started. No springs, no more springs. Just gear-driven valves. I like that it's open. That one's been used a couple of times. Eh?
Yeah, a couple of times.
Yeah.
This changes a lot, everything. This is a new way to think about an engine. I mean, for 56, I mean,
There we go. Stage 2.
long time ago.
As the 1940s drew to a close, Italy was experiencing a period of revival.
It's there.
Thanks to the resumption of international trade and an unprecedented growth in manufacturing, the Italian economy grew.
Gabriel.
This was my bike.
Yeah.
They take.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I own one of these.
Wow. Yeah, you can sit
From
on it.
92. From 92. It was the
Oh,
same
look at
model.
this. Oh, look at this. From the Matrix. Yay! Huh?
This would be a masterpiece and iconic.
I have a friend that has this on his wall.
Only Stoner could drive that,
Oh.
that one.
Oh wow.
A few scratches.
Yeah. Oh, there's the theater. Interacting. Isn't that interactive? Oh, look at that!
Oh, we have to write something.
Of course, of course. Oh, you're looking for a pen?
No, I'm looking for a paper.
Oh,
Let's not feel like that. I will find out.
yeah. We just finished the tour of the Ducati factory and we went to the museum. We found a different pizza place open today, so we're gonna go check it out. Nice garden. Looks good.
Let's see if they have a ginger beer.